In this tutorial, we will be talking about similar triangles. In the previous tutorial, we talked about similar figures and congruent figures. Well, now we have come to triangles. Triangles have specific properties for them to be similar. If you take a closer look, this is an example of similar triangles. They have the same shape, but they are not of the same size. Well, if you take another example of a set of two triangles and try to find if they are similar or not. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to give you a set of purple triangles. Well, these are obviously not similar. They are two triangles, but they're not similar. And why is that? Since one of them is a equilateral triangle while the other is a right triangle. So, the two triangles are similar if they have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. And how can triangles have same shape? That is through having equal inside angles. For example, here we have these two triangles having 90 and 40. They are similar since they have the same shape but not the same size. So, keep that in mind when you want to talk about similar triangles.